guys, welcome back to the Social Seed. Let's make some flowers. I'm starting off by adding flower food to about 3 cups of water. The room is room temperature so it doesn't shock the flowers. Next, I'm mixing it up so the food dissolves into the water. I found this perfect round bowl at Walmart and it added to that light, airy feel I was hoping to accomplish with this arrangement. Most people use floral tape for their grids, but if you do not have floral tape, use clear tape. I start off by making 2 simple grid lines and then add 4 smaller strips of tape. This just helps perfectly block off and place your flower arrangement. I'm sure most of you guys are in the know, but if you're not, let me give you a tip. Trader Joe's has the best flowers for parties at an inexpensive price. I mean, they even have greenery, sprays, berries, anything that you can think of to add that perfect pop to your next event. The flowers I'm going to use are of course from Trader Joe's and cost under $30. I used these flowers at a previous event that week and thought, let's repurpose them. I like to start in the middle and then work my way out. I'm starting with these white roses and plan on adding color to the outside. I love flowers so much, I do not think a single week has gone by without me having them inside the house. The part that I hate the most is throwing them away. I just cannot do it. Let's work on the outside. I'm adding purple colored flowers to the edges. This arrangement smelled absolutely heavenly and added the perfect pop of spring to my house. I'm desperately craving warm weather and this put me in the mood. I think that flowers are the perfect gift to give outside of anniversaries and birthdays. They're the perfect pick-me-up and they just say thank you so much for everything that you do. Try giving someone that you care about some flowers this week. Speaking about giving someone flowers, can you give me some by hitting that subscribe button down below? We would definitely appreciate it. Thank you. Now I'm going back to the center to add some height, and I'm also going to place in some berries for another interesting look. Get ready for the final look at our flower arrangement. If you haven't thought about using Trader Joe's for flowers, please do. I hope you liked this week's video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below. I'll see you next week. Bye.